Space for what is this? Which organ? Brain. First time you are seeing real brain.
I've seen more times.
See, this is whole brain. Okay, this is whole
brain.
See, okay, right and left hemisphere. Oh, you know the structure of physiology is there, no? So this is corpus callosum. So the structure which join right and left hemisphere is corpus callosum. So this is dissected. See. Here you can see the entire corpus. It is cut. So what is this? What is this? So this is medulla. Attached to this, this is cerebellum. This is cerebrum. This will be cerebellum. This organ is heart. This one aorta. So this is aorta. Okay, largest artery. See here, arch of aorta, 3 blood vessel will arise now. Subclavian artery, common carotid artery, brachiosapheric. This one. So what is this?
Heavy bundle.
No. You can't see the one. Sir, this one now. Coronary artery and its branches. We have seen anterior interventricular artery, posterior interventricular artery. Okay, so this is that. What is this? These are pulmonary veins. These are pulmonary veins. Okay. So this is the position. So this will be right atrium. So this is left ventricle. This is right ventricle. So our left atrium will be on posterior side. Valves. Can you see the valves? Can you see the cups? What is this? So when we study the anatomy of right atrium, inside when we open, so there is a muscle. Pectinate muscle. So this is pectinate muscle will terminate with a vertical line. Okay, terminalis. Okay, so this is vertical line. Can you see the chamber inside? So this will be aorta. This is aorta. What is this? So this is see here, can you see the holes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is pulmonary veins. See here. So this will be pulmonary trunk, which is coming out, which will divide into two. This is auricle, covering of the artery. So this is spleen, still not over, but again you will not get chance. See, this is spleen. Okay, which will be present in attached to stomach. Attached to stomach. Okay. We are finished with the lungs. Now we will see the lungs. Tell me which side lung is this?
Left side.
Left. See, it is having only 2 lobes. Okay. So this is
Fissure.
This is fissure. Imagination drawing is different. This is real. So this will be fissure. So what is this?
Medial.
Hilum. Through which structures enter in and
Upcoming.
so this is which lung?
Left lung.
It is also having
2 lobes.
Okay. So this is lingula.
Tongue-like structure.
Lingula, and this is cardia notch. Take that. Tell me which side.
Left side, right
See the
side.
3 lobes. See here. See the 3 lobes. And this is 2 fissures. Okay. Again this is hilum. Hold this one.
Hold my shoe.
Hold. Organs we should. So this will be hilum. So in front of hilum, what is present? This is mediastinal surface. So this is vertebral surface. Okay, this is for in medial surface only we divide into two. Anterior is mediastinal, posterior is border. So this the surface is curved. This is posterior, and it should be anterior. Okay, so see here in anterior border, here there is a this is cardia. You can see the difference here. It is completely covered here, but here there is a space for the occupation of particles. Which is this organ?
Liver.
Please don't get confused. Feel the lungs. It is so soft. And feel the liver. It is so hard. It is hard. But lungs is very soft. Spongy. Correct word is spongy. See, in liver also we have two lobes. This is right lobe. This is left lobe. This is right lobe. This is left lobe. Okay. So this is gallbladder.
टूट जाएगा.
So this is gallbladder. So this right lobe and left lobe is separated by a fissure. But in right lobe again we have two different lobes. So this will be one lobe, this will be one lobe. Here it can't be made out images I will show. But here you see here. Okay, this is gallbladder and there is a depression here. What is depression?
Fossa.
So this is gallbladder fossa. And this will be inferior border of the liver. So this gallbladder will come out, will project little bit below the inferior border. And this is ligament. Okay.
Liver.
No. In baby, there will be a separate circulation called fetal circulation. Okay. Later that arteries become